Get ready for the ultimate countdown of the best motion sensor lights for your home, garage, and outdoor spaces. These smart fixtures blend safety, convenience, and a modern glow. And today we're breaking down the 5 standout picks. Today, I'm going to be going over the best motion sensor lights that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Gritin Under Cabinet Lights. These slim bars are built to disappear beneath cabinets while delivering real, usable illumination for food prep, gadget work, or display vignettes. The 10.2-inch length is intentional, long enough to cover a typical cabinet run and still slim enough to tuck into tight corners without crowding the space. The LEDs deliver up to several hundred lumens at full brightness, with a practical 3-stage brightness selector that lets you tailor the light to the task at hand. Low for late-night navigation, medium for daily cooking, high for deep cleaning or detailed assembly. Color temperature sits in the warm to neutral range, skirting around 3000 Kelvin, which creates a cozy, inviting ambience rather than a clinical glare. Power comes from an integrated rechargeable battery with USB-C charging that is both quick and user-friendly. Many users report topping up from a standard USB-C charger in a few hours and then enjoying days of use on the lower brightness setting. Installation is remarkably simple thanks to a dual mounting system, magnetic strip for metal surfaces, and an adhesive option for non-ferrous surfaces, enabling a clean, tool-free install in minutes. The housing is a low-profile aluminum bar with a matte diffuser that softens the light without creating hotspots or rings, and the entire unit stays cool to the touch even after extended operation. On the sensor side, a compact motion detector looks out front with a roughly 120-degree field of view and a practical 2-3 meter detection range, ideal for triggering the light when you reach for a mug in the cabinet or step into the doorway. You can also toggle a twilight/ambient light mode, so the light only engages when the room is dark enough, saving precious battery life for longer periods between charges. And you can adjust the timeout to keep the space lit for a few seconds a minute, or longer depending on your workflow. For those who value reliability, the Gritin unit includes a low battery indicator and a straightforward on/off switch for manual control when the mood strikes. This combination of brightness, efficiency, and ease of installation makes it a flexible staple for any kitchen, workshop, or display niche, providing consistent, glare-free light that helps you see more clearly without creating visual fatigue. Paired to the generic under cabinet lighting, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Gritin under cabinet lights deliver richer brightness at the same runtime thanks to a more efficient LED array, and they present a slightly more premium build with an aluminum housing that stays cooler with extended use. All while at number 4, we have the generic under cabinet lighting. These units showcase the essential benefits of a modern, rechargeable under cabinet solution without extra frills, and they're intentionally straightforward to help you get lighting where you need it with minimal fuss. The kit often ships as a pair of bars, each around 8 inches long, with a magnetic backing that makes it easy to attach to metal surfaces and to reposition later as your preferred cabinet layout evolves. Charging is typically USB-C, which makes top-ups quick and convenient, and the built-in battery supports several hours of operation at a comfortable mid-level brightness. Brightness is modest but steady, enough to illuminate a shallow shelf or the front edge of a countertop without washing out details, while a simple dimming control keeps you from squinting at the prep counters during late-night meals. Color temperature is tuned toward a neutral warm mix around 3000 Kelvin, a familiar kitchen tone that reduces harsh shadows and helps you distinguish greens from reds and browns more naturally. Because the units are battery-powered, installation can be accomplished in minutes using the included magnetic strips or optional mounting hardware. And the compact form factor means you can install more units across multiple cabinets without feeling cramped. In practice, these lights excel in value and simplicity. They respond well to everyday kitchen tasks, provide dependable illumination for food prep, and avoid the complexity of full house lighting remodels. They pair nicely with the Gritin set by offering a lower price point with a similar form factor, though they may fall short on the higher-end brightness, sensor sophistication, and long-term energy optimization that the premium model brings. Compared to the Gritin under cabinet lights, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the generic under cabinet lighting is more affordable and still effective, but trades off some intensity and sensor features for a simpler, budget-conscious experience. At number 3, we have the Guankai Motion Sensor Lights. These compact units are built with a focus on mobility and flexible placement, making them ideal for homeowners who want illumination where fixed bars won't fit or where you need to illuminate a dark closet, pantry, or entryway without running new wiring. Hardware is designed for portability. A compact form factor, simple magnetic mounting options, and the option to attach with screws if you prefer a more permanent setup. Power comes from a rechargeable battery, typically via USB-C, so you can recharge with a standard charger or in a pinch from a power bank. The motion sensor is a core feature here. Peer or dual sensor array detects movement with a sensitivity control that can be adjusted to prevent nuisance triggering, an important detail in high-traffic spaces. Sensor range is commonly in the 2-5-meter bracket with a 90-120-degree sweep, which means the light activates when you reach for a coat in a closet or step into a utility room, and it auto-excludes when no motion is detected for a short period. In addition to motion-triggered operation, many Guankai models offer a dim nightlight mode, enabling a small, energy-efficient glow that helps you identify the space during the dark hours without fully lighting the room. Plastics and housing are chosen to balance durability with weight, and the optics are designed to minimize glare while distributing light evenly along shelves or cabinet shelves. Durability is often reinforced by splash resistance ratings such as an I54 Dust and Splash Index, which makes them suitable for kitchens and laundry rooms where moisture is more common. Installation can be a breeze with the included mounting hardware and optional adhesive pads, and the integrated electronics are tuned to avoid flicker at common LED frequencies. You consider the Guankai solution against the generic under cabinet lighting. The advantage is the built-in sensor and automatic illumination that responds to your movement, adding a layer of convenience that can reduce time spent hunting for light switches in the dark. Compared to the generic under cabinet lighting, which I have included as number 4 on this list, Guankai adds motion sensing for automatic illumination, and the result is a more intuitive, hands-free experience in everyday spaces. At number 2, we have the equivalent motion sensor LED bulbs. These bulbs bring motion sensing capability directly into the light source you already know, letting you retrofit existing fixtures without rethinking your entire ceiling plan. Each bulb is designed to fit standard sockets, ET26/ET27, and inside you'll find a compact sensor circuit coupled to the LED engine, allowing the bulb to turn on automatically when movement is detected nearby and to dim or switch off after a short delay when activity ceases. Practical advantage is that you gain smart, occupancy-aware lighting in spaces that previously relied on wall switches, with the flexibility to install multiple bulbs across rooms in a consistent, familiar form factor. Brightness is commonly expressed in lumens per bulb, with typical values in the 400-800 lumen range, depending on the model, and color temperature options that span warm to cool light, roughly 27°-65° Kelvin. Energy efficiency is a standout feature thanks to modern LED technology and smart sensing, which minimize unnecessary illumination, reduce electricity use, and extend overall bulb life. Installation is straightforward. Screw in the bulb, ensure the fixture supports dimming if you want adaptive brightness, and set the sensor sensitivity to your space so it won't wake the entire household during the night. Common limitation is that the sensing range and sensitivity can vary with ceiling height and fixture design, so you may need to fine-tune placement to avoid false triggers from pets or other ambient movement. Compared to the Guankai Motion Sensor Lights, which I have included as number 3 on this list, equivalent motion sensor LED bulbs offer an elegant retrofit path for existing fixtures and maintain a consistent aesthetic across space. They may not provide the same broad physical placement flexibility as standalone light bars, and you'll rely on the fixture for the sensor's location rather than having a portable unit ready to move. In short, these bulbs blend familiarity with smart sensing, making them an excellent choice if you want occupancy awareness without changing your current lighting layout. At number 1, we have the Lighting B0D5M1DPBR. This is a multi-unit lighting kit designed for maximum versatility in indoor spaces such as kitchens, wardrobes, hallways, stairs, and entryways. The kit typically ships as a 6-unit package, giving you a modular grid you can deploy across several adjacent surfaces or independent areas without being tethered to a single location. Each unit is compact, with a magnetic base that makes repositioning a breeze, and a rechargeable battery inside, so you don't need to chase down wall outlets while rearranging your space. Brightness levels are adjustable on each unit, with a steady, flicker-free LED output around 250-350 lumens per unit, and color temperatures that lean toward warm white to neutral white for comfortable, adjustable ambience. Installers appreciate that the units can be mounted in seconds with the included magnets or clips, and the USB-C charging interface makes recharging convenient after heavy use. Common practical configuration is to place a few units in a dark closet or pantry, another set along a hallway, and a couple at the stairs to add a guiding light for safety without creating glare. Lighting units are designed to be low profile, so they won't look out of place in a modern kitchen or wardrobe update, and the kit supports flexible layouts. You can add more units if needed or reposition them as your space evolves. You want to compare the Lighting B0D5M1DPBR kit to the equivalent motion sensor LED bulbs, which I have included as number 2 on this list. You'll notice that the kit provides an autonomous, standalone array of small lights that are easy to move, whereas the bulbs require working into existing fixtures with a sensor built into the bulb. This modular approach makes the 6-unit system especially appealing for renters or for those who like to experiment with lighting choreography across rooms, offering consistent brightness, heat, and look without heavy electrical work. Overall, it's a pragmatic upgrade that blends convenience, energy savings, and visual coherence across multiple spaces, and it stands out for its adaptability in real-world floor plans.